Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arun, and today in this video, I am offering some of my services that I am providing to my clients. So basically, I am extracting PDF data to Excel. So in this services, this is a PDF to Excel data extraction service where I just received the data from email. It's like these two attachments. This is the PDF attachments. Let me show you. I've extracted all of them. So this is the attachment I got it. Basically, these are the image type of attachments, PDF attachments, where I need to extract the data. So in all, I think there are many pages, approximately 3 to 4 pages in this tabular wise. So I need what requested is they want this data in the tabular format. So this is how I represented this data after extraction. So yes, now this file, we can see these are all the 4 columns that I extracted using some automation and manual techniques. So I also verified this data. And as you can see, there is a totals at the bottom of this file. So 6H33935.010. So you can see here, I make it sum of this column. So 6833935.01. So all are matching. And some of the still I amended some of the columns, just like the date format. So here they have provided that they need the date format in YYMMDD format. So I achieved this using Excel formulas. So this is DD, MM, and YYY format. Again, they need the company name, that is whatever whatever company name is appearing after the first comma. So we need them all. So here is the first comma. And this is the hot chili AB. So the company name I extracted using Excel formulas as well. And we can see here there are Euro 18766. Then again hot chili AB here. File name again changing. And similarly here as well. So this is the table that I've created from them. So if you like the services, or if you need these PDF to Excel data extraction services, so you can just reach me out over my email address and my WhatsApp number. I will extract as much as data from your PDF documents, and I assure that quality will definitely would be my priority, and as well the timings as well, because I usually get the emails from my clients very urgent. So I would like you, if you have some kind of data which you require urgent basis, then we can discuss on it using a Google Meet or Zoom call. And yeah, of course, for the price as well, we can discuss how, how more the complex project is, and how it is simple. So we can discuss on it, and definitely we can trust each other and get the project done. So hopefully, if you like this video, definitely, and if you like my services, then you can just reach me out, waiting for you to come, and we can just make the projects to go successful. And thank you, and thank you for watching this video, and have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.